Buonasera maestro, questa è una domanda personale. Fin dalla nascita sono stata rifiutata da mio padre in quanto femmina. Lui si aspettava un maschio. Nel corso di tutta la mia vita ho sempre solo incontrato uomini che rispecchiavano mio padre. Avrei voluto sposarmi, ma non ci sono mai riuscita. Come potrei spezzare ora questo circolo vizioso? Grazie.
Hello, Seuseungnim. I am delighted to meet you in person and listen to your answer directly. My question is about my father rejecting me for not being born as a boy. For that reason, all the men that I have met in my life reminded me of my father. I have wanted to get married, but it didn't work out. What can I do to escape from this chain of suffering? We all need to understand this well. Women have a lot of dissatisfaction about society. Isn't that true? Every woman on earth has a lot of discontent. Why? As you can see, the world has developed in favor of men. There is a reason. In order to develop the world, men had to work hard. Men had to be at the forefront and did most of the hard physical work in order for the world to develop to 70%. So naturally, women stayed behind and did supportive work. Women developed by performing lowly and minuscule tasks. God never said women should only do supportive work. Women should have been studying while men worked outside. Women should have known how to develop themselves by understanding the principle of self-study. You should have been studying diligently to develop yourself. It's understandable if you did not know about this basic principle of studying because no one taught you how. However, nature always operated this way. Women should have been developing themselves by observing society and studying from it, while men work diligently outside to advance society. Now we have entered the era of the woman-centered period. The time has come for women to come out to society and manage. Who earns money? The men do. Men earn money, but it's the women who manage money. Which role is more intellectually involved? Is managing money or earning it more cerebral? Money can be earned by men's diligent physical labor. But how to use and manage this earned money intelligently requires astute managers. We need to rethink what women are doing in this society. You need to ask yourself, what am I doing in this world? You, as a woman, can't see the world correctly if your knowledge base is inadequate from not developing yourself. Because now it is the era of the woman-centered period and women should be managing the society. You see many women trying to compete with men in society and supporting consumerism. This is all wrong. The role of woman should be that of a social researcher. studying the society and researching how society needs to develop in the future for everyone to live peacefully, and also how to use the societal power that we have accumulated thus far for humanity to live happily. Women should have been learning such things to do this social research. Women of society don't have adequate abilities as of yet. That is why women are observing this malfunctioning society with pain in their hearts. Women do not know what to do about it. Humanity needs superior women. The era of men is waning, and the period of women is now here. Women are creatures of intellect. To perform intellectual tasks, one must develop and study. Women should have been developing themselves while men were working hard to advance the society so that one day women could manage these accomplishments. However, women simply worked at home, wasting time doing menial tasks such as knitting, as they did not know how to or what to develop in themselves. The time has come to manage the world, but if no one is managing this world, then it will remain at a standstill. The world has been stagnant for about 15 to 20 years. Humanity is at an impasse. It is not advancing at all. However, some things are continuing to develop. Things like computers. Such things as hard drives continue to develop. Why? To share correct knowledge. Computers are developing so that we can share knowledge in an informational society. The internet is also advancing. The information network system continues to improve. What type of information is shared and used depends on the quality of people using them. There is a limit to the quality of information that is on the internet. The quality is too low right now. Current common knowledge, intelligence, and theories are already on the internet. The society shares all types of information on the internet already. However, we keep searching the web for something else, something more intelligent. All of the information we now find on the internet in this age of intelligence seems very common. The knowledge that can open a new chapter on new theories and new ideology is called the truth. People are typing away on the internet to find information like nature's principle based on the truth. However, people cannot find answers to these. If you look at the world, priests have said many things. Pastors have said many things. They speak endlessly. However, they keep repeating themselves. They say the same things they said 30 or 50 years ago. Monks also talk continuously. Spiritual teachers of various schools also keep talking. But why is there no change? The quality of words should improve, but it's the same material for 50 years. People are searching for something new, but there isn't anything. No new theories have come about.